The book of Job, chapter 5, verse 1 to 27. Call out Job, see if anyone answer. Is there any angel to whom you can turn to worry yourself to death with resentment? Would be a foolish, senseless thing to do. I have seen fools who looked secure, but I call down a sudden curse on their homes. Their children can never find safety. No one stand up to defend them in court. Hungry people will eat the fool's crop, even the grain growing among thorns, and thirsty people will envy his wealth. Evil does not grow in the soil, nor does trouble grow out of the ground. No, indeed, man bring trouble on himself. As surely as spark fly up from a fire. If I were you, I would turn to God and present my case to Him. We cannot understand the great thing He does, and to His miracle there is no end. He sends rain on the land and He waters the field. Yes, it is God who raises the humble and gives joy to all who mourn. He upset the plan of cunning man and trap wise men in their own scheme, so that nothing they do succeed. Even at noon they grope in darkness, but God saved the poor from death. He saved the needy from oppression. He gives hope to the poor and silences the wicked. Happy is the person whom God corrects. Do not resent it when he rebukes you. God bandages the wounds he makes. His hand hurts you and his hand heals. Time after time, he will save you from harm. When famine comes, he will keep you alive, and in war, protect you from death. God will rescue you from slander. He will save you when destruction comes. You will laugh at violence and hunger, and not be afraid of wild animals. The field you plow will be free of rocks. Wild animals will never attack you. Then you will live at peace in your tent. When you look at your sheep, you will find them safe. You will have as many children as there are blades of grass in the pasture. Like wheat that ripen till harvest time, you will live to a ripe old age. Job, we have learned this by long study. It is true, so now accept it. Amen.